So yeah, I'm leaving for my home. Why isn't it working? No. So Lyft doesn't want me to go home as well. Oh, this is the हालत of campus right now. Like लोग ही नहीं है, एक दो दिख जाएंगे. But yeah. Bye bye. I'm on the main gate right now. अभी मैं जा रही हूँ. मेरा ऑटो आ चुका है. अब मैं ऑटो से जाऊँगी एयरपोर्ट, नहीं मेट्रो. तो मेट्रो से हम जाएंगे एयरपोर्ट. मैं अभी डेपोर्ट स्टेशन पर हूँ, जो कि हमारे कॉलेज के सबसे पास का मेट्रो स्टेशन है. अब यहाँ से हम टिकट करेंगे सेक्टर 51 के लिए मनोरंजन. सो दिस इज़ द व्यू ऑफ द मेट्रो हियर. मैं सेक्टर 51 के टुवर्ड्स जा रही हूँ एंड द होल मेट्रो इज़ एम्प्टी. सो या तो अभी हम सेक्टर 51 जाएंगे एक्वा लाइन से, देन गो टू ब्लू लाइन, और फिर उसके बाद विल चेंज ऑन टू अ डिफरेंट लाइन. So yeah, this was the route to go towards sector 52. We have to change a different metro line from here. So we have reached to the ticket counter. Guys, this is Rajiv Chowk metro and it is so huge. It has every outlet here. So यहाँ पे you will get to see a lot of food outlets, जैसे कि Metro Trip, Burger King and a lot of them. So now I have to go towards the yellow line, but I'll take a stop for the food and then I'll leave. So we stayed for a short break. It's Burger King. So yeah. Yashobhumi Dwarka 25. It's specifically designed for the people who want to go to airport. So yeah, the terminal 2 here. So we have to check out and then go towards the airport. Yeah, so here's the outlet of Haldiram, guys, and a pharmaceuticals and a lot of other stores, and you can have your waiting area here, so you can rest for some time, and there are some washroom toilets, so you can basically get fresh over here and then you can go towards the terminal 2. So we reached the airport. Fit check, shoes. So this was the point where I had to go towards terminal 3. So this is basically a parking lot area which connected a path towards terminal 3, and this is the view we get. And then now I have to go from terminal 3 to terminal 2. So this was terminal 3, which was so huge. I love the system where these airports have the food outlets, like food outlets all over the airport, which is very convenient for foodies like me. So this was the path which connected terminal 3 and 2 directly from inside the airport. So this was the map. There they show how these airports were connected, interlinked, whatever. So yeah, this was the signboards. As I reached Terminal 2, there was this huge lift, which was really huge, and I had to go to the first floor in order to, yeah. So this was it. So yeah, guys, we just arrived to the airport. Now we'll do a check-in. यहाँ पर आकर काउंटर से करेंगे हम check-in for our flight. So yeah, we have to submit the bags if we have any to put in the carton. This was the checking area where I had to take out all my stuff from my bag in order to get checked. So nice, okay. So yeah, it's Miniso, guys. So this was the lounge area where it had food court as well as the sitting area for the people who have their flights. So yeah, we had to go to the runway from this bus, so it would directly connect us to our flight. मतलब मेरे कैमरा की क्वालिटी पूरी ख़राब हो चुकी है, बट स्टिल आई मैनेज समहाउ टू क्लिक अ फ्यू शॉट्स. तो अभी मैं हूँ प्लेन के एग्जैक्ट पीछे. So yeah, I'm boarding onto the plane now, guys. So let's meet you in the plane.
अपनी यात्रा को शीघ्र शुरू करने के लिए आप अपने बड़े बैग्स को ऊपर वाले ओवरहेड बिन में और छोटे बैग्स को सामने वाली सीट के नीचे रखें.
So yeah, we safely landed at Nagpur airport, and this was the entry towards the airport. Welcome to Nagpur. So I've come inside the airport. Now I can't go out, and my flight is on 10:40 a.m. and today and now it's 6:30 or something. So I'm gonna go and stay in the airport till then. So yeah, stay with me and see what I do. So I was heading towards my flight here. So my morning flight to Korea to अभी सुबह हुई है and we are going to the next flight. So let's go. I got the
Our Hello
window
6E
seat.
magazine is available for your reading delight and menu choices. Thank you.
Here I had entered the Aurangabad airport successfully. I've traveled so much and अभी मैं औरंगाबाद airport पे. Yeah, so let's meet. So yeah, this was the point where I realized it was started that I here when I came to and journey of 6.5
Delhi.
hours.
I went from
with a
flight.
layover in Nagpur.
So I
of
came to
course.
Aurangabad
and
to go.
I feel awesome. I
And
feel great. I
today
feel like
I'm
I did
going
this
back
on
home
my
and
own.
still I'm
Like,
at
I did this
Aurangabad. So I guess
journey
Aurangabad is lucky for me.
alone, and
So
I
yeah,
enjoyed a lot.
This is it.
I'm thankful to my mom as she made me experience this journey as well.